you will live to regret it. You will live to regret it. Because the evil you plan against my children enemy, it will manifest on your own, except you don't have. Why we are here this evening, my people, you see this life, planning evil indoors. You people really don't know the people who plan evil indoors. I can easily say everything I have done, not that I was accused, but I did. Okay, now you like beer. Mona Karona talk with that. I just talk. If you want shave the beer, Mona beats me. Make sure to not shave my beer for them. If not shave my beer, not try. Na rubbish beating. So everything I've practically done, I won't say I was accused of doing, but I did them on this media. They have video to testify that I said it. It wasn't a secret. I'm going to report you to the police that you are a fraudster, that you eat social while you are not supposed to, and you are doing illegal job. I said it on live video, and I did it. When it happened, I came out and I said it, that I did. Lolo, you funny, happy, you know. You understand? I did it. I did it. Everything I said I would do, I said I would do it. I will frustrate your life in this Europe. So far, so good. The frustration is still on till now. Not sending anybody. They were changing my words. I never said that. I said I will frustrate your life. How? When you do criminal activities, I will be there to report you at all times with proof solidly. Did I not say that? I said it openly. I didn't say it secretly. But every evil plan you plan against me all came back to you. And you are crying that it's me that do it to you. No, dear. It's your evil plan. Including how you were telling someone in an open video that they should go and swear for my children enemy. Those are your evil plans. I used to tell you people, I know they dream anyhow. Now real life, now they dream. When it's necessary, God will show me like this. He will show me everything I need to know. And I never dream and anybody beats me in my dream. It's not possible. Since I know myself, I dream either I will kill you, or I will beat you, or they will call me back. Madam, come, you don't keep person. That's my kind of dream. I don't dream, see you, and we talk. No. I dream, see you. I know they dream, see you resemble you. Now person you know. I they dream, see you one-on-one. And I they beat you better beating. That is me. But I don't dream always. Oh. Can be 6 months before I will dream. If the situation is critical, I will let you plan all your evil before God will reveal it to me. And once I take care of it in my dream, it don't finish. Whatever you do does not affect me. I was watching a video. I don't know what even made me want to watch it. It's a secret video where this evil doer, who in public is eating her punishment, you go back and plan evil. You are talking. You are laughing at someone else's child. That is good for them, is not good for them. But you said your child is the oil money. You purposely put your child is raining. You put it on social media. You know what you could do to remove your child from social media, but you refuse to do it. You let your son being bullied. Who has time to help you save your son? If you want to save your son, it's in your hands. It's in your own hands. But you couldn't do it because there was nothing you could do, because everything they said is true. I will let you people hear what she said in a while. And you guys will help me return it to her. Because till tomorrow, God knows I will never wish your children evil. But rather, what you do, if you affect them, is your business, not be me doing. That your children will be stressed out with your bad behavior, that one is a concern, not a bad wish. In secret and in open, I will never wish your children evil. Do you know why? So that mine will be protected. Because if I wish your children evil in secret, it will manifest in my children in public. So I will never, both open and both secret, I will never wish your children evil. But for you to finally confess in secret today that that thing will be that person that will throw that thing, you don't meet Lolo children finish, my dear, you will live to regret it. You will live to regret it. Because the evil you plan against my children enemy, it will manifest on your own, except you don't have. It's normal. It is normal. The evil you plan against other person's children, it will manifest in your own children's life. Because secret and open, I will never wish your children evil. Never. Never. But what do? You say whether the thing don't meet Lolo children finish. Why go meet my children? Why? What concern me in the rubbish you are talking about? So that is what you wish for my children. Ah, my dear, I put my hand for breast. I tell return them back to you. Except you don't get children. Except you don't get. But if you get children, back to you. Whatever plan you and your cohorts are planning against my children, it will not come to pass. But rather, except you and your cohorts, you people don't have children. Except you people don't have children. After you come to public and be saying, now the children join, you still know what. What happen? It backfire on you. What did happen? Shame and disgrace follow you. This one, my children, a couple. So I return them for you, except you don't get children. People should listen. You and voice of goat, you and voice of Malu, now get problem. What you call concern all of for his side? What you come be my own for his side? Oh, this one is connected. Just a minute, guys. Hello, good evening. Well done, no, how about it? We bless God. I did live for Instagram. I did live for Instagram. Yeah. And a better one. How you come? Wait till be that. Or if I finish. Okay, then if I finish now, I'll call you back. We'll talk. All right, bye. Okay. Just a minute, let me connect it because the volume is really faint, you know. I don't know if you guys will even hear it with this one. Let me see. You're having problem with, what do you call it? Edo voice of true goat or Edo voice of Malu. I don't care to know who you're having trouble with. What has that got to do with Lolo's children? Eh? What has it got to do with Lolo's children? Because you are planning evil against people's children, whereby you are the one that use your child to do blood money to feed your lazy, hungry food that you have at home. How did it now concern me? Eh? You sell your child to feed your lazy animal you have at home. And then you are blaming people, they talk about your child. What's my business in it? Oh shit, the thing is so low. Okay. Listen. They come one person. When you picking, they carry another person. Picking says, "In mama way go die sansan. In mama way sickness go kill for Africa." No, you concerned. He not telling you picking. Stay away from somebody else picking. Nah, picking where somebody even throw something to. Listen. Imagine, like this, my house, me, Monica. Let's say you can't throw something to somebody else picking, go come pass Lolo picking, you go enter my own picking. Can you imagine? Can you people imagine? He said they go throw something. He go pass my children enemy. You they crazy, you they mad. Anything where they go throw now because they just they pity your children. They don't want to send that to your children because they know act less like you. If not, if you want to talk with all the things where they don't throw for you, if they throw and reach your children, you for not get anyone remain again. Nobody intend to throw anything to your innocent children. Why is this lady like that? Use your head and carry your evil. Now you want to come and be trading your children for it. Use your head, carry your evil. But I don't pass a lot of picking. Why? God not gonna let my children carry for his side. You they crazy, they mad. God they punish you. They, if you want to use your children, then they do sacrifice to save your head. Go ahead. No concern anybody. Well, you see this man also. You see that your dirty mouth. Remove them. If not, you see your ass. They wish back to my own. They go they pian for your eye like matches where they on throw away. Don't be saying I shoot man. And they talk with full chest and full mouths. Who touch one of my own? To God that man. Tiri, now you go tepe. Tiri, now you go tepe. Don't be saying a mat. I know they boast. If you touch one of my pikin, I go touch tiri of your own. You go no say, kaki no be leather. Leather no be kaki. You don't understand? Now tiri, you go tepe. Tiri. If you touch one, tiri, now you go tepe for my own. You go tepe. Say they don't try. That is God go punish you. You don't see what there you ask, don't they die? People when they throw stone, they meet you. They are too good. They don't intend to put it on children because children don't have anything. It's useless somebody like you. Useless somebody like you. Mannerless, useless idiot like you is the only one who will carry people's children and be doing rubbish with it. It's called karma. It will catch you. It will catch you. And as you they plan the evil, so that's why God they manifest for your ass. When you they shot start that day, you don't say it go walk. It go come back to you in 20-fold. Apart from me, where join you shot start that day, who else join you? But when your uncle happen, the whole world they join shot your own. That's the way they be. That's the way life they. You understand? You know, get duplicates. I believe in God Almighty. And God, you know, they sleep. You go collect. I don't believe in hellfire. If you don't know today, I'm telling you. I, Lolo, do not believe in hellfire. Hellfire is here on it. Say, if you die, you go hellfire. No, I don't believe it. Hellfire is here on it with me and you. Okay? So know how you live your life. Oh, if you die, you go hellfire. You know, they. Now where they thought say, and you go light your matches, burn yourself for hellfire. Now here you did get to hellfire. You dey hear me so? You understand? He say go whether the thing una dey hear now. You go come up for there in the many business so.
Imagine your mama come for Africa.
They hear.
They come one person. When you pikin, they carry another person. Pikin says, "In mama way go die sansan. In mama way sickness go kill for Africa." He not telling your pikin stay away from somebody else pikin. Nah, pikin where somebody even throw something to. Imagine like this my house, me Monica. Let's say you go throw something to somebody else pikin. You go pass lolo pikin. You go enter my own pikin.
Can you imagine? Can you people imagine that? Hey, Opakara. Do you people know where she did this video? Do you know where she did it? Inside their coven. Inside their coven. She will come out and come and be shouting, I have changed. I don't change. I have changed. I don't change. I don't answer them. I don't listen to them. She carried some bunch of fools. Hide inside this coven and see what she's putting in their mind. Do you see it? Every plan all of you in that group will plan, except you not get children. Except you people don't have children. If you have children, it will manifest in you people children life. It will only take time. It's what you wish others you will get. That's what you will get. There is no remedy. There is no Bible passage that will save you. There is no God that will save you. Wherever you go, there is nothing that will save you. It's what you wish to others that you will get. Basta. That's where we reach. That is why you see me. It takes me time before I really feel sorry for some people when they are going through some certain things. You understand? It takes me time. I'm kind of like, you know, because you don't know what they did. You don't know, is their evil that catch up with them. You don't know. There are some certain things that will happen to people. You'll be like, oh God, how did it happen? You understand? Inside their coven. Now all the things when they call you ask, you want to push out a lot of ask, are you mad? Are you okay? Is your head correct? Is your head correct? Your life is condemned. Psalm 90, Psalm not 91. 109. He will manifest in your heart before the end. What did he say? He said your children will beg for food. Time is coming. So don't even think you want to joke. Don't think you want to joke. Have you not they see that dead body in your house? You never notice it. No, you've not noticed it. You've not. And so, the best way they sick, you know, they call it own sickness. So, no. The dead body in your house, you never see it. Then I mean, want me to show you. I don't know. You understand? He said, when they cut the thing, like for real? Are you for real? It will pass, it will balance inside your ass. Anyone that go through, you go collect as you they collect and so. See, you they collect obey vano. Where baloe. It's just that the people stunning you with all those things, they are too good. They are good people. No one intend to touch your children. But rather, you are the one touching people's children. You are the one touching people's children. So that he don't. Like for real, my boy will soon be 15 years. If you see him, if you see my pikin, you go trip. Let me shoot bird, mama fly. If you see him, they crazy them, you wear for it. I send you message. Now me say you carry your own to do caricature for social media. That be they take and shine for your actual group, say you don't born, say now let you reach to born. Because I might not born it, then you start to the born. The only ashawo way female born, I be. Now we take and the nyanya them that time. If you say they take and do me. She will go to corner. If she comes to live video now, I don't have their time. I'm not going to answer them. No, I will not answer them. But you will go inside your coven. Now go they plan witchcraft things for them. My dear, you see, darkness and light cannot, they can't mix together. They can't mix together. They can't. Everything you plan in secret will be open. Will come out in the open. It will come out in the open. People are saying that you are the evil behind social media, that social media is not settling. Some fools will say, no, it's not. Now, for inside their coven, no. Inside their coven, someone record it. Look at it. Inside their coven, no. That's what she was saying it to.
Say that one won't die, you won't come below. Why he touch you at all if your hand clean? Why he touch?
Inside their coven.
Your mate follow Senegal, they enter abroad.
Inside coven. Make it for not die. You go inside coven. You go to talk all of them. If you come out for video, you come to do like, the word is coming. Still, nobody is buying. Nobody they buy. Because everybody already know her. She's evil. Parasite. She survive on other people's pain as well. She survive on other people's pain. When this trouble, before this trouble start that time, Now he still fell laugh person pikin. He got one pikin where they like, don't say to laugh the person. You are still the one that still love that woman in Germany. If you now see now you they laugh people, they go and you they tell yourself, say, if they ever throw something to your house, it will not enter your house. You lie, my dear. But it's unfortunate, those people throwing you those baby stones, they are too nice, which God will continue to bless them because your children don't have any part of it. But you see you and your dead body, one don't they about to quench now. About to quench, is your neck now. You know they see her. Snapchat, they see they take the wash her. They come they arrange them for chair. Abi? You see they wash her with Snapchat, they arrange them for chair for us, Abi? You see, God don't sleep. God don't sleep. The day she brought out that picture where they were sitting in their paper cloth garden, polish and put for there. That one see that like who want just take his last breath. You understand? Everybody would think good for her. But as God could have it, shame and disgrace before her. When he carry head come and like madman where they lock for inside cage. Like the one there for our mental clinic. That be area cast. And they say shoe. That the dead body they live with this person for his house. Now be this. Where did be out this one now? Say not to Snapchat. Hey, Baba, hey, God. Can't you see? Kai Lolo, what have I done? But it's true now. Haven't you guys see the picture? The picture is everywhere. Even today, I will use it as cover picture on my YouTube. Because it fits in nicely to the topic that I talk about. You know what I mean? And in this video she's doing, you could hear the dead body trying to catch some sleep. But she would never let that dead body get some rest. He was snoring. If you listen to this video, you will hear it. The man is sleeping on the background. You cannot sleep because this parasite cannot just shut up for 1 minute. She can't shut up for 1 minute. She can't shut up for 1 minute. Now, JK. You understand? The picture there, your Facebook page. It there, Abby. She will use Snapchat and polish him. Oh, yeah, that is dying and going. That's not nice. And then you are wishing on that person's children. If you add that one to yourself, you know what you will get. You'll be wiped out in the face of this earth. If you don't know what now, 109 hold, go and listen to it again. Go and listen to it. That's stupid. She's obsessed with Esther. She will get what she's looking for now. Is that not when I'm Emma? Almighty Emma. Is that not it? Who say more no better for life? Who go better for him back? It's not long. She's obsessed with anybody that she see their light is shining. That is the problem. Not even only Esther. Anybody she smell that they are, oh, look at their light is coming up. She's like that. She's like that. John Osage, was that not what she did to John Osage? He pursued that one, pursue. At the end, they say, na Lolo and Monica. Me, joy. Me, this Lolo, joy. At the end of the day, what happened? Because they had me joiner. When we go, I told her, I said, see, I said, this settlement, where everybody they are beg. This will not be settlement. Let me use the toilet. Before I go come back, don't they nyakon? They take picture now. Say, what will be all this? Tomorrow now, I'll start the fight again. Me, I know they like her. Let everybody do their thing. All this pretense, I don't do pretense. You don't like me, I don't like you. It's okay. You're there, they my day. Now so I pursue that boy, pursue. Direct and down, grim. Now in lifestyle, she's allergic to people's success. And then she will be shouting at the jealous ring. Empty vessel. Empty vessel. Even small water like this, you know they say in drum. Small water like this, you know they in drum. When they say that one, the whole I know they take make noise. For where? They jealous me. They jealous me. Who get your time? Who get your time? She's allergic to anybody progressing. To her, nobody must move because she's already down. What concern Lolo children, concern the rubbish she's talking about. So shameless, you still have the guts to complain that they talk about your child. The one you open your too dirty mouth to say is your blood money. Amega senior to segbe here. Where in a blood money, everybody must work put. Oh yeah, momo like bossy. Oh, you ban one a live video. Oh my, say where you delete eh? They're looking for money to eat. I'm at the banwa where bossy. You know what she said? Because of this, I mean, I delete before these people go they get caught or say my picking. Man say where you delete eh? Hungry. Oh me. Oh me. Hungry, they kill you, they go. Everything and money. The only thing I say, I do pity those children. Tell those two girls. I do they pity them. Because we know now wajena. Okay, wavia you will be agia. She will not even know it. Oh, what lion you will be agia. Where we are living. After all, nobody know what people are doing. Don't worry. Mama is here covering you guys. I say go they do, they go. Go arrange there. Go they do pimp, they follow your own children. Go and watch the video I did today on YouTube. You need it very, very well. You need it. Hey, I don't dare. I say they put condom for his breast. Papa. Now social media. Nothing we know let social media talk. Now social media. This is where Karen for his boss. So two of them they go. I mo egbera get also who met CNN. Yet is CNN because when it comes to a shower matter, ya go ma o ma ke. Oga segba shower where you dey collect money. I can't deny for how. Anything where you talk now, not fit deny for now. I cannot deny. If not, I would have said no. I put my hand on Steri and vowed that she can't do something. On Steri, I said, if I sweat with this Steri, she can't do it. Whereas na lie, I don't know. So I cannot deny this one for her. Because yet, I cannot deny it. So anything anybody say about it, me, I will not object. I will just leave and there. I will not object. Because I shall want money. And the only thing we get to offer. Now you get to offer. After all, she wasn't up to 15, or she was just 15. Me and swing me at Gary Amsterdam. So, he can't do. He will not do her nothing. That day, yeah, talking our children, we are masturbating. Yeah, will it be okay? I cannot deny. I cannot deny for her. I am sorry. We are going masturbation be a car. We are going here. What were you looking for? As I can't study, they go. I can't see one place where they can't say, maybe women can't they say how they start to masturbate for 13 years. We are going here. They told West when of Basha Wonea. Money me me ah, maybe I can it more. I will never wish them bad. But oh what damn it. You know my name will be here. Damn it. Pay me. She will not know what will before her. All the evil you wish before for my children enemy. My dear. You see me, now so we are there. Oh, Lolo, something I put the person you call the laugh. Now so we are be. Oh. Now so we are be. When I no quite expect me now, I can't feel sorry. I cannot feel sorry. No. Because this is what she was wishing my enemy, and it didn't come to pass. It didn't come to pass. How can you be saying it if they throw something in your ass? Whether I don't pass my children, enemy finish. Why they by war? Why when I got when you choose less now? Who condemn? I beg money they support me. You know, he say you no get topic again. For now, hear the biete rubbish where they inside this video, eh? Funa yeran. If they die, they go for a second corner. If you call that video, don't pad everywhere finish. You go come they jump like frog. No topic, no nothing. Take your time, eh? Take your time. See, as God they disgrace you so. That's why it will continue. So as you they do, it go they before you. It go they fall for your head. It go they fall for your ass. Now frustration, and go they worry you. You go to say makeup and cloth won't help you. Now lie. It no go possible. It no go possible. It no go possible. It no go possible. Because you see these people who are telling you, come and be talking this rubbish in our ear. When you concern all of picking, concern what you they do. Now you bring your picky come out by yourself. You don't forget. Or maybe they pay money to one native doctor say, now so this go happen to a lot of picking because your picky come media. If not a lot of bring your picking come media, anything way they do, my dear, without hesitation, it go work. But if not be a lot of bring and come media. You see as a day so. I go to see you go the apple for your ass. I go there here, they laugh without no element of pity. I don't give a hook. I don't give a hook. People wey insult my children enemy. The one we never born for inside, the one we don't born for inside. The day where I'll come for their pikin, media go cry for them. Media go they go they cry for them. Let me talk. When you call that your so-called pikin, now that your pikin when they cry for so, then you collect my pikin video for in hand. Hey! You need to know what I talk that day. You need to know what I say that day. You need to have heard what I open this my mouth and say. And somebody go tell you, say, Emi no ida wese okay ya sa. Some people go to say you go die. Something go die for your life. No! Emi no die wese. Okay ya sa. Emi nani no ni. Did it come to pass or not? It did. It did. It did. Maybe it's your way, no. Maybe it's your way, no. That's your way, no. Looking okay. Today somebody they beg me, I beg Lolo. Mona free. I said no. The other day I wanted to beg for her as well. I said no. I'm not rich. Go at your way, no. Go at your way, no. Nedo kekere. My own iPhone. Amen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. This is how God will be disgracing her. This is how disgrace will be following her. Everywhere she's planning it, God will always set someone there to expose her, and everything will be returned back to her. You understand? Everything will return back to her. Because my children have not my children did not do anything. My children don't have any business with a rubbish lifestyle. You understand? She did this one this morning. So it's not like, oh, after you do the video, you do. That's when she did it. No, this video was done